My name is Palakkad Ramayar Balan. P.R. Balan. I am 71 years and 2 months old. We are Tamilians, migrated to Kerala and settled. I started my career in Bombay as a typist for a monthly salary of rupees 60. Today you can't get a cup of coffee with that money. I have grown up in a house where I had my grandmother, my mother, 3 sisters. My mother, having brought us up as a single parent, has played a very significant role. All 3 sisters, we were equally treated in all respects. Now my family, I have my wife and 2 daughters, Priya and Vidya. People used to ask, don't have any son? No, I don't know. I never felt anything odd or lacking about it, but society perceives like that. We never said, oh, first is a daughter, give me a second son. I have never prayed for that. How I love them, they are like 2 eyes of mine. There was no taboo, girls can't do this, boys only can do this, nothing of that sort. It has always been an open atmosphere. Whatever they wanted to do, we never stood in their freedom. The year was 2000. I was 55 and I had to leave my job. My savings were nil. You have 2 grown-up girls to be settled in their life. Next what? In the middle of the night, I went to the hall. I sat there. I started crying aloud. After 38 years of service, this is the stage you have brought me in, I asked my God. As I was crying, somebody comes and holds my hand. I look back, it was Vidya. She held my hand like this. Appa, don't worry, everything will be all right. And that was a terrific change in my life. Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Appa. என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க?
Good. I have some surprise for you.
Oh, really? பழம்னு இருக்கு.
Yeah. Short fully today.
Perfect.
She used to dance in front of the mirror. We used to enact a play at home. She being the mother and I being the son. And the mother on the deathbed and the son sitting close by. And she will pretend as though she's no more. Then after 2 minutes I will take the
तिजोरी की चाबी. And I remember my mother at some point saying, say something to her. She can't have such dreams. But not once did he tell me, no, this is not something you should want to do or aspire to do. I'm sure he had the fears because the big bad world of cinema, television, whatever. But he never once discouraged me. He always said, whatever you do to the best of your abilities. The great thing about my parents, actually, is that they've never had preconceived notions about anything.
As an industry, as a profession, I didn't have any. Because I had confidence in my daughter.
When I was considering doing the dirty picture, I sat my parents down and I told them there would be a lot of skin show. I knew what I was doing and I enjoyed doing it. But I needed to know how they were going to react. I did a family preview of the film.
Before the start, she just announced it's a bold movie, so that's all. After the movie,
He clapped in front of everyone.
we didn't find anything awkward watching this movie at all. And everybody endorsed, yes, she has got into the character so well. Nobody saw Vidya Balan in the character.
When they said that to me, I felt like, okay, now it doesn't matter what the world says. That vote of confidence was priceless.
By God's grace, it went on really a hit and she won the national award for that. As a father, I felt extremely happy and proud.
There are no macho ideas of, a man cannot cry, a man has to protect at all times. I've seen my father weak. I've seen my father vulnerable.
The young girls should start treating themselves in their mind as equal to boys. Many a time the problem comes, they themselves accept this discrimination as part of life.
I wish every girl in the world had a father like you, Appa. Priya and I are really, really blessed and fortunate to have a father who's just let us be ourselves. And we are because you are.